Question number 3. Here we go. Nice question coming in here. Hi, I'm very new. I just joined Zenler and have the pro plan. My goal is to create a course, but I'm a little overwhelmed. I understand it. I work full time, have a family, and a lot of obligations, but I'm committed to doing this. I'm slowly learning as I go, and I'm not the best with designs, Canva, etc. What's the fastest way to learn how to create a course in Zenler? Any help suggestions are greatly appreciated. Well, you're quite fortunate because there's a number of different ways that you can do this. So the first way is if you're new and you're on the free trial or you're quite new into Zenler, you'll have been invited along to the 60-day Accelerator Program. Now that over 60 days doesn't specifically focus on courses, but it focuses on a whole system that you can build over a period of time. That can be really, really good. And I think that's one of the things that will really help you get a fast understanding of how the Zenler platform works. But of course, there's always more than one avenue to go down to achieve your objective. So if you're specifically looking for to learn how to put a course together, then there are other options for you. So let me just go over to sharing my screen. Here we go. So this is the tutorials.newzenler.com site. So if you have a look over here, you'll see we've got a whole heap of different training here. And as you go through, there's things that you can do that will help you. If you go into the marketing training library, so this shows you some of the marketing basics and things like that. But there's also within here a, let me find it, marketing your first course. There also should be in here the 5-day launch your first course challenge. So I'm going to find the link for that, and when I do this live I will find it properly. I can't see it in here at the moment. That's market 5-day challenge to help you market your first course. That's a marketing your first course one. There is an actual launch your first course because I've run it a number of times. I've run it 4 or 5 times. I'll find the link to that, and that purely focuses on building your first course out. Really, really important one, really good, and it goes through a lot of the stuff that you need to know and understand about putting your course together. So the tutorial site, have a flick through it. If you go through the home page, so if we just go back to the home page, you'll see that we've got the training library here. And in here, there's the complete guide to Zenler. In there is stuff specifically around courses as well. So you can go through and learn how to use the system to put your courses together. It's very comprehensive. So there's a number of different options. So if the 60-day Accelerator Program is too much, as in there's too much there for you to go through, you haven't got the time to do all of the things that are involved in there as a complete system, then maybe going in through the complete guide or finding the 5-day launch your first course challenge will be the way forward, because they're specifically on just building a course itself. So a couple of options there for you to go off and explore.